Welcome to the 4th episode of Meals Under 50 Rand. Today I'm going to review Steers Yavaya Burger Meal. Unfortunately the Pandan Burger Meal is finished, but it's never Yavaya. So let's taste it, it's all in the taste. It's exceptional, like usual. I love Steers chips, I must admit. That's it, what it looks like. Now the burger. It's a small burger. You can just imagine because it's under 50 Rand. It doesn't look too bad. Patty and some lettuce and gherkins and things on there, and cheese as well. Let's try it. But that is exceptional. Very nice. I rate this combo on tyd alone 8.2 out of 10. Value for money, I'll say a 7.5. Cheers guys, love you all. Till next time, eh?